Today we're showing you a Case IH Farmall 110C tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor with a Case IH L630 quick attach front loader. The tractor has approximately 1,500 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor yet. It does have brand new front tires on it. We did replace the front tires. Back tires are good. Nice clean tractor. The loader again is the L630. It does have the skid steer quick attach for your front connection here. Bucket is new. Tractor came in without a bucket, so we did add this bucket to it. Front grill guard is there. It's got a couple imperfections here in the front of the hood, but overall a nice clean tractor. And again, the front tires are new. Has the operator platform there for the operator. Canopy top goes with it. Has the telescopic 3-point arms. Has 540 and 1000 PTO capabilities. Dual rear remotes. Also has a lever back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Does have two sets of wheel weights on the inside of the back wheels. Looking for a clean open operator station tractor. This one is definitely worth a look. It does require the DEF, so it's a full Tier 4 engine. Suspension seat, has tilt steering wheel. Power shuttle allows you to change direction without clutching. Pedals down below. Has the 12-speed transmission. You have 3 ranges and park on the short lever there. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the taller lever, and then your loader control also right there within easy reach. Have your remote levers, 4-wheel drive switch, PTO switch all to the right, and then also your hand throttle, and then your 3-point levers also here to the right. Differential lock is by your heel. Again, nice clean tractor. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. We do also offer shipping anywhere here within the US. You can call or text or email us with your zip code. We can get you a rate. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also do trade-ins. If you have a trade, text or email pictures and we can work that way. If you have any questions regarding the tractor, please contact us at masttractor.com.